My purse is gone. Gone?
Oh.
I think I left it at the station.
Ah!
Hurry, Sam! I see it! Don't rush too much.
No, no! Sam!
Sam!
Wow, this place is huge. And we haven't even seen the trains yet.
Look! That clock is giant.
It helps everyone catch the right train.
Really?
Really.
If I miss the train, I'll ride a skateboard.
Grandpa, you don't even have a skateboard.
Then I better not miss the train.
Who wants a cookie?
Me!
Save one for me.
Have a skateboard.
Then I brought plenty.
Look! It's coming!
That's our train.
It's so big!
Can I sit by the window?
Of course! Yay! Best seat ever!
Ah!
I had a feeling you'd say that.
We're moving! The adventure has started! Yay! Look!
Want to hear a train story?
Yes.
Let's hear it.
Great.
It all started one blustery night.
Wait, what's that over there? What did you see? Whoa, did you see that? It's gone. Wow, look at all the kites. They're flying so high. I want to do that someday.
Look! We're flying over the water.
Not flying.
It feels like flying.
Who wants to play a game?
Me. I'll play too.
Winner gets an extra cookie.
I won! You cheated! No, I didn't!
The judge says Emma wins.
When I was young, I took a train across 3 states.
Really?
Really? Tell me everything.
Tell me.
I remember it like this.
Look at the horses. They're beautiful. They're running with the train. This train is like a moving house. A very long moving house. Let's explore. Wow, look how long it is. It's even longer than I thought. That's amazing. Next stop, Riverside Station. What's wrong? My purse is gone. Gone?
Oh.
I think I left it at the station. I'm sure I left it on the platform.
Are you certain?
Yes, I remember holding it there. Let's think first. There it is! You found it! Be careful! I'll be right back.
Ah!
Hurry, Sam! I see it! Don't rush too much. Got it. Everything's here. All aboard! Wait! Sam! Hold the door! Sam, hurry! Run, Sam! No, no! Sam!
Sam! Oh no!
He's getting smaller. I can't believe this happened.
We'll figure it out.
Poor Sam.
Wait a second.
What is it?
What is it? Where's Emma?
What do you mean? Where's Emma? She was right here. Emma?
Emma! Emma! Sweetheart, where are you?
I thought she was with Sam. I thought she was with you.
Oh no.
Puppy. likes making friends. You're so cute.
Wait for me. Come back, puppy. Huh? Mom? 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 Dad? Dad? Sam, where did everybody go? Mom? Grandpa? Anybody? What do I do now? Hello there. Are you okay?
Hi there. Are you okay?
I can't find my family.
Don't worry, I'll help you. What's your name?
Emma.
That's a beautiful name. If you ever get lost, find a helper.
A helper.
Grandpa said helpers can help.
Oh,
Your grandpa sounds very smart.
He is. Can we find my family? We'll do our best. Wow, there are so many maps.
They help us keep trains moving.
Cool.
Let's call your train.
What if they can't find them? We'll keep trying, okay? You're being very brave.
I know my mom's name.
That's helpful.
And my dad's name, too.
Wait,
What is it?
I think I remember Mom's phone number.
You do?
5552. Okay, don't panic. I need to find Emma.
Excuse me. I need help. What's wrong?
My family is on the train.
And you're here?
Yes, and my little sister is missing.
Let's help.
We have a separated family.
Understood.
Dad?
Dad, Sam.
Sam. Dad.
Dad, Emma is missing.
Sam? What? She stayed at the station? We think so. I'm going back for her.
This train can take you back.
Thank you!
Good luck.
Hang on, Emma. Hang on, Emma. I'm coming.
Please be okay.
Just wait for me. I'll find you. I'll find you. I can't stop thinking about Emma.
We'll find her.
She must be scared.
Emma is smart.
I hope so.
She remembers more than you think.
Any news about Emma?
We're still checking.
Please keep looking.
She never goes anywhere without this. I miss her already. We'll hug her soon.
When I was young, I got lost once,
You did?
and I found my way back.
I asked a helper for help.
Just like we taught Emma.
Exactly.
Hello?
Hello?
We may have found Emma.
Gasp! A little girl matching her description is at Riverside Station.
Emma!
Thank goodness!
She's safe.
I want to see her right now.
And you will.
Please hurry. Wait for me. We're coming, Emma. You said you remember the number? I think so. Take your time. It's 7835. Is that it? Mom made me practice. That was smart. I remember some of it. Audio description, soft, thoughtful piano music.
Let's see if this works.
Please work. Did it find them? Almost. Come on. Emma, you did it!
Really?
Really? Rah! Is that Mom?
We're about to find out. Hello?
We found Emma! Emma!
Emma!
Emma. Mom, are you okay? I'm okay. You were very brave. I remembered the number. You sure did. We're coming.
Almost there. I'll be waiting.
Do you think they're close? Very close. They're here, they're here. Come on, come on. Someone must be important. She is.
Emma!
Alexa!
Emma!
Emma. Sam. Emma. Emma! I missed you. I missed you too. I was scared. I know. Thank you for helping her. She helped herself too. Wow, that's amazing, Emma. I know. Wait. What? Mom! Emma! Mom!
You're okay.
Grandpa's so happy.
Now that's where everyone belongs.
Together.
Always.
I'm not letting go this time.
Good idea.
Everybody here?
Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Reunion cookies.
Those are the best kind.
I agree. Look at the sunrise.
Beautiful, isn't it?
It's amazing.
Every adventure teaches something,
Even scary ones?
especially scary ones.
I should have been more careful. Me too. We'll do better next time. You were very brave. I remembered your phone number. That helped everyone.
Next trip, I'm tying everyone together with a rope.
Including you?
Especially me.
Next time, I stay with you, and I stay with you. Deal? Deal. The best part of any trip is being together.
Exactly.